everyone. A transversal is a line intersecting a system of lines in a plane at different points. And these are the typical type questions you'll see in geometry. So E is our transversal line. Or you might see it like this with parallel lines labeled as such. Or we have one going through parallel lines here labeled as such. So that's what you'll be seeing. And the line that's crossing at two different points is called a transversal. And it's in a plane. All right. Now, when a transversal intersects a line, say M and M, this figure here, 8 angles of the following type or form: exterior angles, interior angles, consecutive angles, and alternate angles. So, for example, and also in your interior, you have alternate, interior, and consecutive. So you have more definitions. So let's look at this. Angle 4 and 8 are called alternate interior. So let's look at 4 and 8. 4 and 8. I'm going to have to erase that in a minute. That means 5 and 1 are also called angle 5 and, if you don't mind, I'm going to use Boolean algebra. This means and. And angle 1 are also alternate angles, alternate interior angles. I'll just put 1. All right. Alternate exterior angles would be 2 and 6. So that would mean in our figure, so would also angle 3 and angle 7. So these two. Alternate exterior. All right, now I'm going to erase this real quick. Now we have consecutive interior, number 3. So that's going to be angle 1 and 8. That would be for number 3. We also have 4 and 5. So angle 4 and angle 5. And for consecutive exterior, we have 7 and 2. So that would mean we have angle 6 and angle 3 also. All right. So those are some of the definitions. Let's look at corresponding. So corresponding, we have 4 and 6. So that means we also have angle 7 and angle 1. And finally, number 6, I'll put it over here. 5 and 7 are vertical. So these two are vertical. That means our 1 and 3 are also vertical. So angle 3 and angle 1 are also vertical. So those are some of the definitions you need when you get started. All right. We also have 2 more definitions: vertical angles and linear pair. So vertical angles are 2 angles that are opposite angles. So 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 5 and 8, and 6 and 7. Linear pair are called are supplementary angles that form a sum of 180. So let me erase this. So linear pair is where you have this 180 degrees like that. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then you can also do 1 and 3, 5 and 6, 6 and 8, 2 and 4. So there's several vocabulary words you need to know that's associated with some line with the transversal. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.